Last week in crypto felt more cautious. Money moved out of crypto investment products, stablecoins became a bigger debate in Europe, and AI got a little closer to real blockchain transactions. Let's keep it simple. First, fund flows. Crypto investment products saw about $1.47 billion in outflows. That means more money left these products than entered them during the week. It was also the second negative week in a row. Bitcoin saw most of the pressure, with around $1.315 billion leaving Bitcoin products. So what does that tell us? Larger investors did not disappear, but they became more careful. This was a defensive week, not a confidence week. Bitcoin was also under pressure. It stayed around the $77,000 area, while the market reacted to ETF outflows and macro concerns, including the US credit downgrade story. This was not a crash. It was more like the market taking a step back. When bigger investors, the biggest policy story came from Europe. A Euro stablecoin project added 25 new banks, bringing the group to 37 financial institutions across 15 countries. That is important because it shows banks are taking stablecoins seriously, not only as crypto tools, but as payment and settlement infrastructure. But the ECB pushed back. It warned that Euro stablecoins could create risks for bank funding and monetary policy if they grow too quickly. So the tension is clear. Banks see opportunity, central banks see risk, and stablecoins are becoming a much bigger financial topic. The most interesting technical story came from Switzerland. Sygnum, a Swiss digital asset bank, said it completed live AI agent-driven digital asset transactions. The key detail was control. The AI could help with multi-step on-chain actions, but the client still had to sign every step. Private keys stayed on the user's device. That matters because AI in crypto is not just about doing things faster. It is about doing them safely, without taking control away from the user. So the quick takeaway is this. Last week was about caution. Money moved out of crypto funds, Bitcoin felt macro pressure, stablecoins became a bigger debate in Europe, and AI moved closer to the transaction layer. That's your crypto intelligence update.